Hello! So, I'm in Maranello right now at the Universal Ferrari event. You can't believe what just happened here. Ferrari surprised us with two new Spiders in their range. So I'm going to start off here with this. This is the Ferrari 812 GTS. Unveiled to the media for the very first time, this world premiere was held at Universal Ferrari in Maranello, an exclusive one-month exhibition for invited customers and media only, and open for public in the final 2 weekends of September. One of the main highlights has to be this, the 812 GTS. It has been a while since the last front-mounted V12 engine supercar had a Spider variant, 50 years to be exact. Why, you ask? Well, according to Ferrari, there's a demand for such a car to fulfill the desire for their connoisseur Ferrari owners. An 800 drop top? Who would say no to that? So here are 5 things you need to know about the Ferrari 812 GTS. Just like any other convertible, the first half of the car is identical as the Berlinetta, the hardtop. The second half is where it's been redesigned to accommodate the retractable hardtop roof. It uses the same power unit as the Superfast, a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 with a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. It generates 800 horsepower, 780 Nm of torque. 0 to 100, it is said to be under 3 seconds. No exact figures given. Top speed 340 km per hour. Still very familiar driver-focused 812 interior, identical in fact, except for the additional switch for the roof. You get a combination cluster for the driver and the passenger display if you opt for it. With the changes made to the roof, apparently the interior space has not been compromised. You can put up the hardtop or down in just 14 seconds, and you can do that while going at 45 km per hour. The car gained a bit of weight due to the roof mechanism and structural changes to strengthen the car without a roof. Well, to be exact, it is 75 kilograms heavier than the Superfast. How much for this Italian beauty? 336,000 euros. When it arrives back at home in Malaysia, it should be around 11% more than the Superfast. So do the math and start saving. If you want to find out more about this Ferrari 812 GTS, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.